How to assign the Cool Automation license plugin to the Rithum controller. You will receive a link. You paste the link in a browser, and then it will ask you to input the serial number and the authorization code from the controller. You paste it, submit, and it installs it. You find the information on the controller itself, where you go to System, About, and then you'll find the serial number and the authorization code. To get the serial number and authorization code, you press and hold. You go to System and About, and here you have the serial number and authorization code. This is what you need to put on the web page in order to install the plugin on this device through the internet. Once you install the plugin through the web page, you now go to install plugins. Before you go to install plugins, you want to update it quickly. So you go over here to System and you go to Firmware, and you will press check for updates. It will check for it and will download the plugin in as well. Although it will say no updates, maybe no firmware update that it needs, it will download and install the plugin. Then you go over here to integrations, install plugins, you will see it over here. And then you go to add integration. You pick up the Cool Automation one. It's asking you for the IP address of the Cool Master. You'll put the IP address in, which this is the one for this one, and okay. It found it, and now it's letting you set up all the zone names on the computer. You see the format, how to paste here all the names of the zones, how to label all the zones. And therefore we have here L1 .100, 2 dots, then space, whatever we want, and then in the label name. So here we'll, in the same format, we'll put type over here, the 3 different zones that we want to name over here, and we do send configuration. Configuration successfully loaded, done. Now that we finished the configuration so we can see it already says completed over here as well. We can close it and we can go to the main page. We can go to the climate and we can see the 3 names that we added. The other units is showing, we did not rename them, but those are the 3 units which we are connected to. So we can go, for example, to 1, and here we are on the settings screen. It's all set. We will see also the current room temperature that it's reading from the ClimateSync. And if we go to another room, we see the room temperature reads from that room. We can switch it on, set the mode, and fan speed, swing, etc.